Today I'm going to show you how to add plain colors to boring skies in Adobe Photoshop. First of all, click on the adjustment layer icon, and choose the solid color. In the color picker, I'll type in D, F, C, 7, 2, and 9. Then click OK. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold down Alt to split the black slider. Then click OK. Change the blend mode to overlay. Go back to adjustment layer icon and create one more solid color. In the color picker, I'll type in F, 3, 4, 1, and 3. Then click OK. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold down Alt to split the white and black slider. Then click OK. Change the blend mode to overlay. Decrease the opacity to 60%. To adjust the shadows and highlights, click on the adjustment layer icon, and open the curves window. Click to add point in the shadows area. From the input, 95, and the output, 65. Click to add point in the highlights area. From the input, 205, and the output, 195. Then close Properties window. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the background layer. And then right-click and convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, and Camera Raw Filter. Open the Basic. I'll make the temperature, +20. The contrast, +50. The shadows, +35. The blacks, +35. And the clarity, +30. Then click OK. Click Add Layer Mask icon. Press Ctrl I to invert the layer mask. Open your brush tool. The opacity, 35%. And the flow, 100%. Select the layer mask of background copy. Click the foreground color. And make sure white. Then click OK. Paint with white to reveal their mountain and reflection. And this is the result.